Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to know you.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end, coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just start you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just burn you. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell talk. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, matching nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around the snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get up where you been at, Ryan. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Got in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. This is me, new day, new me, new day. Coming to you with another vlog. Some of you may know me as New Day, New Me. Some of you may know me as Tasha. Either one is fine with me. Today is Saturday. Y'all saw me last night take my hair down that I had it in braids for most of the week, and I did my skincare and all that stuff. So yeah, now I'm just headed to my weekend shenanigans. Y'all know me on the weekends. That's when I usually get out and about. So I'm going to get some groceries or some stuff for the house, and I'm going to go probably in Ulta as well as TJ Maxx and stuff. I do want to that's going to be probably a content vlog. So one thing I am working on is trying to do some content, not just vlogs. So I got to record a video today. Speaking of that, there's a video I got to film, so when I get back home I'm going to do it. And I'm probably gonna make that for next week to go out. But yeah, I'm trying to do more like content things and be intentional about specific things I want to do. So that's a goal of mine. And my camera is not full, and I don't know what percent it is on. So, but yeah, I don't even want to talk to it. I just looked down and saw that it's probably less than half. So let me just stop babbling, and I'll get back with it. We'll get back to that conversation later on a day. Let me get to where I'm going so I can have some memory for because I don't even got my charger on. Some memory for some footage of my day. So I'll be back, y'all. So I am leaving Target. I got a couple things from Target, not too much. I'll show you guys when I get in the car. Hold on. I'm back to the car in Target. I'm about to go where I'm at. It's like a plaza. It has Target, has Marshalls, Ross, Old Navy, Ashley's, Home Goods. I just came out of Target. I just got a few things out of Target. I got this that was $5 that was on there. I have one already that it broke, so I got this one. It's like a little smaller version of it. I got this shea butter souffle, and this is in cocoa mango. So I got that. I think I'm about to add some oils to it and just do this as a moisturizer. But I've seen that. I did get a Lonnie, and I'm about to get ready to drink that while I go over here tomorrow. Yeah, Marshalls. And I got these two brushes for my concealer and just the dabble when I put concealer on. So I got those. I'll show you that more when I get to the house. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I am about to put it in the bag, go to Marshall's, and then I'll be good for the day. So let me go to Marshall's and see what they have. I'll be back with you guys before I go to Walmart. All right, y'all. I'm about to go to Marshall's, what I got from not TJ Maxx. I'm about to go to Marshall, what I got from Target with just a few items. I got a smaller untangler brush I got in the back seat. I got these 2 makeup brushes. One to like help me when I want to not do a full face, but just get my concealer on. Just wear concealer, and that's it. And so I'm about to sip on this while I drive over to TJ Maxx. I thought I had a charger in my car, but I don't. So I'm about to go to, the rest of this village is going to be a montage. So when I get to leave here and get groceries, montage. I'll just get back to you fully when I get home, because this battery, and I'm nervous it's gonna go dead on me. So let me be back and y'all get this montage.
No competition, these bitches fail. Curving, no curving, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around the snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. And then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. Once again, ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want.
Whatever she want, take her on the yacht to the wherever she want. Take a city clipping. Boys doing shit is wrong. She that loves her attitude, she long away from. Hey, hey, hey.